What if I told you that getting into cosplay is as easy as just dressing up? Cosplay, or costume play for those that don't understand how to shorten a word, is the simple fact that you're putting on an outfit to represent the character from a TV show, a movie, a book, a video game. You're showing your art to the world of what you love. It sparked an interest in your head. It sparked something in your soul. For this one, this is something that I'm not really into anymore. I've kind of grown away from video games. I can't sit there and do all the stuff with my hands. It's the mental health and the neuropathy pain. I just can't sit there and tense up while I'm playing a video game. But to sit there and watch my son play and use some words that he shouldn't be using at the age of 14, I'm telling you, it's magical. Actually bring something that he loves to real life, to something that he sees on a screen that now he can pick up and hold in his hands. Now that is fun. Oh, that's freaking magical. Oh, okay. So that support didn't work, but I mean, it didn't really need to work. Comes right off. I love this. This is great. Oh, that's cool looking. That's that came out pretty darn good. I like those freaking lines there, though. What does that do to that? But we'll work with it. We'll work with it. We'll work with it. Gonna do some primer on this. Let's paint. Yeah, that looks good. Look at that. Would you look at that? Yeah. Oh, dang. Let's go. That's perfect. You guys see that? That's cool. That's cool too. That's a pretty purple. That's a pretty purple. Sanded it. A few coats. That's a little bit of string on. Oh my god! I love it. I love it. We got the purple, We've got the gunmetal in silver. All I gotta do now, add a little black right there, a little black down there, the handle wood color, and then a red eye. So it looks like that. Oh, that's pretty. That's gonna be pretty, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go paint. Something I always do, I just have to sand off that first clear coat. Gives it a more uniform smoothness. Smooth. I can take a photo. You don't need something fancy. Just hang it up somewhere. And of course the wind's coming in here. I even have a fan right there. There we go. Don't try this at home. At home. At home. I don't know. It's in my eyes. I can see clearly now.
This is a weird camera, but it's enjoyable.
Painting is enjoyable. I'm just gonna start doing the black right now. Black. Matte black. Do it in coats. Just come back over and do it again. You don't have to have it right on the first try. You're supposed to be having fun when you're painting. You don't have painting as an Olympic sport. You know, you're not. There are times when you have a time crunch, but again, all you're doing is rushing yourself. Is rushing yourself really an enjoying process? Not to me. is, of course, small, but he's got a huge amount of hair. So I'll have to fix the strap a little bit on that. But all it is just a little bungee strap. Nice clear coat on top of it. That's 3 things of clear coat on the mask. Yeah, I want to say 3 coats of clear coat. So, and the paints I used were just the ones that I have up here on the wall. I didn't have to use those. You can use anything if you wanted to. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm good at this. I'm actually not too good at it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the best at this stuff. You can see all the marks on this one, right on the edge and everything. You can see all the marks on it, right on the side. It's not the best. Is it cool looking from far away? Well, yeah, it's very cool looking. I mean, shoot. I have the double shotty blaster shotgun things of Reaper. Is it screen accurate? Is it exactly the way it's supposed to be in the video game? No, it's not. And that's the cool part. It's mine. It's my own idea. It's what I envisioned up here. That is the fun part of cosplay. It's what you want to do. It's what you want the character to look like. It's your representation of the art. Have fun with it. Again, it's all about you. It's not about the character that you're dressing up as. It's about how you want to show everybody your adoration for that character and where it came from. Thanks for joining me. My name's Harry. This is Helpful Hobbies.